For those of you hitting me up talking about how you do the jackhammer, this is our last tutorial. Cause after this, we just gonna jackhammer out the ass, right? So it's simple. One leg,
I just walked past.
jump, hop, jump, hop. That's one. To the beat though. You have to do it to the beat. Two, what you gonna do with your arms? You can play with it. You can play with it, you know. You could do anything with your arms. You know, that's it. Now we're gonna do it to the beat and put a little speed, funk to it, switch it up a little bit, and teach this dumbass nigga that I don't know what the fuck he doing, man. Alright. Let's go, man. Alright. Yeah. Get Jack. Hammer. Ah, yeah. That's what I want to see you do. Jackhammer. Yeah.
Do the genie in the bottle, Dwayne.
No, my son Trinity.
Y'all both trick.
Hey.
Yo, Dwayne, next time, act like you doing the genie in the bottle thing.
We got it. Pop.
Well, that's crack.
Yeah, that's crack. You gotta mix another dance with it too.
We gotta do it for the kids. Damn it. Look at this.
A bunch of jumping damn monkeys.
But we stopping heads, look.
Yeah, the way like he having fun.
Same time to the people.
Then I say left, y'all go left the same time and right at the same time.
Left and right.
Forward. Now you're gonna go to the right. Right. The other right, you fucking
Back street. Stop it for your ducky.
Now spine. Now do the genie.
Stop it for your extra.
Now do the genie.
Yeah. Oh, I got a new one. Jackhammer. I got a new one.
That's when you about to get money?
You look like you arrested, man.
Yo!
Let's do it for real now.
Here you go.
Right, I like that one. You getting money.
Get it. Okay. All right. Okay. I see you. Get it.
Oh yeah, Ron, you fronted. Ron, I'm fronting on y'all. Trust.
What you got? Jackhammer. Jack.
Oh yeah, he getting money.
Look at the camera, they want to see you.
Sleep over.
Uh-oh.
These are so fresh.
Yeah, let me get another beat. So I want to flow like that, you feel me? But I need another beat, you heard? Get that.
Get money. Jackhammer.
Put your hands up.
Rap! Yeah.
You see the fucking that's my Impala. I sit down, motherfucker, cause I'm getting dollars. I don't make the way. They gotta make the way. See my boy right here, we can make the way. Fuck what you heard, this rapping shit is new. I break all y'all niggas down in the domino, this true. Yeah. Oh! Oh!
Crystal on the track.
Sleepover.
All right.